Okay, this morning we are outside and we are talking about the Chalk Art Festival that is coming up, and this is actually benefiting the Utah Foster Care Foundation. This is the 9th year that they've been doing this.
That's right. Well, of course, we've been talking about rain in the forecast. Everyone's keeping their fingers crossed that it's going to be sunny tomorrow, and Grant says that it is supposed to be. Of course, as Tanya mentioned, it is the 9th annual year for this. It's sponsored by the Utah Foster Care Foundation as part of its 9th annual festival. Deborah Linder is joining us now with more on the festival.
It's going to be sunny. It's going to be great weather.
I think it is supposed to be great.
I think it is
and even if we get a little thunderstorm, it'll pass, and then they'll start up again. Well, Scott, you can see what Scott does in, an hour. Think about what he's going to be doing in 12 to 13 hours of chalking.
Yeah, they are out there for 2 days straight working on things, all these
and
artists.
That's why the Chalk Art Festival starts on Friday, goes all afternoon and all evening, and then we're joined by the KSL Family Fair tomorrow.
These are such colorful combinations of colors. Doesn't really take that much time to do, though. I mean, you just come prepared with all the different colors. Is it pretty fun to do? Is this something you started to do as a kid, Scott?
It's out of sight. It's way fun to do. I remember doing it like with the big kid chalks, right?
The big kid chalk.
And we will have those in the kids' corner for all of you who can't do this.
Oh, great. So the kids can draw, too. Yeah,
Yes.
Tell us about some of the activities at the Family Fair.
The KSL Family Fair will have onstage entertainment, games. The theme of the Family Fair and the Chalk Art Festival is Magic of Harry Potter. For us, it's foster parents or magic, and so we're going to have a lot of foster parents interactive games. We're going to have the sorting hat from Harry Potter. It's going to be a lot of fun.
Now, you get a lot of chalk artists coming too. I mean, it's not just a couple. It's like
70. We're going to have 75 squares, 130 artists. That's a lot of art.
It's so cool in a space like this where we've just got a huge open canvas. In fact, it's too bad that we can't preserve it somehow, at least for a few days.
It is. Well, it'll actually be here because the chalk soaks into the pavement.
Okay, well, that's nice to hear.
That. Now, there's always music and raffles and things as well,
Yes,
I remember,
yes.
right?
There's going to be opportunity drawings for prizes, and like we said, lots of music on stage almost constantly on Saturday.
Now, how does this help the Foster Care Foundation?
Well, it helps because it brings awareness of the need for foster parents. We're going to have information tables set up along the Chalk Art Gallery, so as you stroll on down to the Kids Festival, pick up a little information on foster care and get educated.
Wonderful. Okay, Scott, can you give us a hint of what you are going to be doing? Because it's probably going to be different than what you've done for us today at the Chalk Art Festival.
I don't know. I'm kind of excited about this station wagon here. I think I might kind of incorporate these similar elements.
It kind of reminds me of the Scooby-Doo Mystery Machines.
It does. We're like Family Vacation, National Lampoon, where they're going on the big adventure.
Yeah, exactly.
Summer.
We've had all this chaos going on behind.
Chopper 5 over there.
We got Chopper 5 covering the thing from the air.
See that? A bunch of kids in the station wagon. You can add a few more kids in foster care, can't you?
Yes,
sure.
definitely.
Yeah, that's terrific.
Well, we're going to take a break right now. We'll be back in just a bit.